Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and today we are going to give you a comparison video between the interactive brokers and Tastytrade. Which one is better? So here is the overview that interactive brokers, the IBKR global professional grade broker with access to 150 plus markets, great for advanced trader and institutions. Now, on the other hand, Tastytrade, US focused option heavy platform based for active retail traders and learners. Now, here are the fees and commissions that IBKR is their stock is for $0 light and $0.005 per share in Pro. Options are $0.65 per contract. Futures are $0.85 per contract. Low margin rates is 4.8%. And on the other hand, the Tastytrade is stocks is $0. It's totally free, and there's no fee actually. Now for option they cut a $1 fee to open and $0 to close, capped at $10. And futures is fees for $1.25 and per contract, and a high margin rates is 8 to 11%. Now here is the tools and features. IBKR Advanced Tools, the TWS, Algo Trading, Level 2 Data, Deep Analytics, so there are specialties. Now Tastytrade has simpler, streamlined platform focused on option, great built-in education and strategy tools. Market access, IBKR, the interactive brokers, global access has the global access as the 33 plus countries, multi-currency support. And on the other hand, Tastytrade has primarily US markets on the international or multi-currency support. Now here is the user experience. Users have reported that IBKR features rich but complex, better for pros. And on the other hand, Tastytrade is easy to use, ideal for beginners and intermediate option trader. Now here is the final verdict. Choose IBKR, the interactive brokers, if you want global markets, advanced tools, and low fees for volume trading. Choose Tastytrade if you trade US options actively and value simplicity plus strong education. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.